cream cheese icing, baby. I mean, that's all I got to say. Is there anything else to say? I mean, besides, it is the perfect topping for your cakes, your cookies, your cinnamon rolls. I'm trying to tell you. And I'm going to show you how to do it with just 5. You got it. 5 ingredients. Now, in my mixer, I couldn't wait, is 8 ounces of cream cheese. Now, I've already whipped it and whipped it real good. I've already whipped it to a good consistency. You want to start off with room temperature cream cheese first. That helps along that whipping process. Now to this, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of my vanilla bean paste. This right here is going to give it some mighty good flavor. Don't worry, I got a whole cabinet full of it. So if this is out, I got more. Trust me, I buy it by the boatload. All right. So that is 1 tablespoon. Taking my spatula, going to go ahead and help it along because the vanilla bean paste is a paste. So it's thick. So like that, it's covering the spoon. So I'm going to go ahead and take my spatula and go ahead and get all of the goodness. All of the goodness in there. And when I tell you, I absolutely love the pairing of vanilla bean and cream cheese. Oh, baby. Some type of goodness, I'm trying to tell you. Let's go ahead and mix it up. Now to my cream cheese and my vanilla bean, I'm going to add 5 cups of powdered sugar. Now, 5 cups of powdered sugar is 575 grams of the sugar. Now, we're going to add this in a little bit at a time because I want a big cloud of sugar. Baby. So we're going to do this a little bit at a time. Let's mix it on up. Now, taking my spatula, I'm going to go ahead and scrape down because I want to make sure I get to the bottom so that I can make sure that all of my cream cheese and all of my sugar is thoroughly incorporated, combined together for greatness. Oh, Now to this, I'm going to add in 5 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. And mix it on up. Now to cut the sweetness and make sure everything is well balanced, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mixing it up just one final time with my spatula. And I believe with one more mix, we good to go, baby. I'm going to go ahead and take my paddle down, move it on over here. Taking my spatula, I'm going to go ahead and scrape all of this goodness off. Ooh, woo! Ooh, woo! Okay. Just giving it a final mix. Woo! All right, I have my handy dandy spoon, so I can go ahead and give it a try. Yeah. That right there is some goodness. Well, if you enjoyed what you saw today, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date of all of the tasty treats that we post. And I'll see you in the next one.